everyone, I hope you're doing well. Today we're starting off the vlog with a voiceover as I'm unwrapping some new Poems About You watercolors that I received for Christmas of 2020. Yes, I'm a little bit late. I'm trying to pick what colors are going to fit in those two empty spots that you just saw, and it's down to what shades I like the best. There's no rhyme or reason to it. I'm just going to swatch all the colors on this color chart right here, including the 2 dot cards that I received over in that top right corner. And from there I'll pick what lucky colors get to live in my permanent palette. And those are all the colors swatched. The two I ended up going with, I believe, were Ultramarine Violet and Ultramarine Purple. I hope you enjoyed that little lunch montage. Now back on to something a little bit more on brand. We had such a good time at this art museum. It was lovely. There was almost no one there but us because, I don't know, it was almost closing, so we were the only ones in each gallery, and I was able to get this awesome footage. It was so nice. It was a pretty small gallery, but there was still Monet and Edward Hopper and all kinds of paintings. It was just spectacular. you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you all next week. See you later!